In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files on OneDrive in Windows 10. This simple process will help you keep your files organized and accessible from anywhere. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open a Microsoft Office application. You can use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint for this task. For today's demonstration, we'll use Excel, but the steps are pretty much identical across all Office applications, so feel free to follow along, regardless of which one you choose. Once your desired application is up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This action will reveal a menu of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Scrolling through this menu, you'll see two key commands: Save As and Save a Copy. These options help you create a new file rather than overwriting an existing one, which can be especially useful when making significant changes to your document. Next, once you've selected either Save As or Save a Copy, a dialog box will appear on your screen. It's a fundamental step because this is where you choose your save location. Look closely at the list of options and click on OneDrive. If you haven't yet signed into your Microsoft account, you might be prompted to do so. Signing in ensures that your files are saved to your personal cloud space, making them accessible from any device at any time. Now, one more small but crucial step: choosing the specific folder within OneDrive where you want your file to reside. Navigating through your OneDrive folder structure is straightforward. However, it's worth noting that keeping your files organized by categorizing them into specific folders will save you time in the future when you're searching for particular documents. Take a moment to decide on the right folder, perhaps under a category related to the content or project you're working on. After selecting the appropriate folder, you'll see the Save button waiting for you at the bottom of the dialog box. A simple click on it and there you go. Your file is now saved to OneDrive, neatly stored in the cloud, ready for you to access whenever you need it. Congratulations, you've successfully saved your file on OneDrive using Windows 10. From now on, you can be confident that your documents are safely stored in the cloud. If you need to make any updates or edits, just follow these steps again, and your work will always be secured and updated. Keep practicing this method, and it will soon feel effortless. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial valuable. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.